Hey guys, this is Danny with Betterton Outfitters. So today we're going to talk about take care of your boat, and I don't do a very good job at it. So I do not wipe my boat off every time I get out of the water. And I know that's like a big no-no to a lot of people, but to me, I'm extremely exhausted after fishing, especially whenever my son has fishing tournaments, because we have to get up a lot of times at like 3 o'clock in the morning. We're not back till, sometimes 11 o'clock at night, and we don't even get to weigh in until like 4. We got up at 3 and I'm like, dude, I'm done. So what I do is I've got this solution I use, and it's 3 equal parts. It's vinegar, peroxide, and Dawn dish detergent. I mix it up in a spray bottle, and I spray it all around the ring around the boat, and actually all over the boat, even the carpet. And I spray it everywhere, and then I take my pressure washer and it just comes right off 99.9% of the time. Every once in a while I have some like tough spots, that won't come off just right, so I'll spray just a little bit more in those tough spots, and then I'll take just a little bit of Clorox and water, and or bleaching water, and I'll just spritz those little spots, let it sit on there for just very little bit, rinse it off. But for the most part, it works every time flawlessly, and there's nothing in it to really hurt a boat. Like I said, I never spray the bleach on my carpet or anything on the interior of my boat, but on the exterior, every once in a while, the little ring that goes around, it'll stick around. But so today, that's what I'm showing you. If you got any comments or recommendations or anything like that, I highly appreciate them. And also like and subscribe, and I'd appreciate that too. Thank you. All right guys, I know I'm not the prettiest person in the world be filming this, but so here's my boat. So I've got a pretty little ring around it. I know it was a lot worse earlier, but that was just mud. It wiped off. But this river ring, I don't know what everybody else calls it. I don't have a clue. If you don't wipe your boat off every time, and I don't a lot of times because I'm tired and I'm lazy. But you can see it all through there. All right, I know it's really loud. You can still see the mud line, I think. I got my camera pointed right.